Do you like games? In this game, you try and save the spaceships by clicking on them while avoiding the asteroids with your mouse. Can you believe this game was created in PowerPoint? In this video demonstration, we're going to show how you too can create games in PowerPoint. And in this portion of the video, we're going to show you how to set animation paths. So first select the object that you want to animate, and then you can choose Add Animation. Go down to the bottom and choose More Motion Paths. You could choose any path that you wanted, but for this purpose, let's just go ahead and choose the football. You're going to want to make that a little bit bigger. So go ahead and just click and drag to enlarge that. And then again, click and drag to move it over. And we're also going to want to do the same thing for the second one. More motion paths. You could do a different one, but I'm just going to do the same thing for simplicity's sake. And then I'm going to move it a little bit off so it's not the exact same path. So that takes care of the satellites or saucers. And here for our asteroids, these are even simpler. They have a very straight motion path. They go down. So I'm choosing animation that says down. It's pretty obvious. I'm going to drag that line to extend it. Okay. And of course you would do this multiple times for more objects. That takes care of the animation. The next thing you want to do is set the satellites or saucers to disappear when you click on them. So select your saucer and hit and add animation, and you want to do an exit animation. Oops. And disappear. And we're going to want to set that to trigger on click. However, you want to make sure you set it to click the right item. So to make sure it's the right item, you can click on the item and then look at your animation pane. So we know because it's highlighted when I click on it that we're looking for picture 34. So trigger on click of picture 34. Okay. And so what happens now is this should fly in a circle, and then when we click on it, it disappears. And then what I want to do is reorder this, so this goes down. And I want this to start after previous, so it'll start after this one disappears. And I'm also going to set the timing on this one as well. So our asteroid should start playing immediately as soon as we start the slide. And you can see because I selected on it, it lights up. That's picture 34. So start after previous, so that'll start immediately when we play the slide. And I'm going to do the same with the slide. Oops. let's go ahead and preview that. Because sometimes you think you've got these set right and they aren't. Okay, the last function we want to show you is what happens when the mouse collides with an asteroid, or rather how to set that up. So first thing you need to do is highlight the asteroid, and then you need to go to the Insert tab, and under the Insert tab you want to click the Action button, and from here you want to choose not mouse click but mouse over, because remember you're not actually selecting anything with your mouse, but it's as soon as your mouse collides with any of the asteroids. You're going to choose Hyperlink to Next Slide. You should have a slide set up with negative feedback. And then just go ahead and hit OK. And then it should go to a slide that says something like this, you couldn't complete the game, go back and try again. We've got a little scientist here who says, please save our planet.